every letter in the Quran, every word in the Quran, every ayah in the Quran, every surah of the Quran, and every juz of the Quran has its own blessings. From amongst the surahs of the Quran, there is a surah known as Surah Mulk. This surah can be found in the 29th juz of the Quran, and it is the 67th surah of the Quran. With regards to Surah Mulk, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anh, he narrates, our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, indeed there is a surah in the Quran that consists of 30 ayat. This surah will intercede for its reciter until he or she is forgiven. This surah is Tabarakalladhi biyadihil mulk. Surah Mulk is one of those surahs that will intercede for us on the day of Qiyamah, but also when we are in the grave, in our qabr. If we were habitual in reciting Surah Mulk, Surah Mulk will become a barrier between us and the angels of adhab, the angels of punishment. In the qabr, Surah Mulk will come and intercede for us. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiallahu anh, he narrates, whoever recites Tabarakalladhi biyadihil mulk, Surah Mulk, every night, Allah will protect him from the punishments of the grave. At the time of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we would call this surah Al-Mani'ah, the one that protects. It is indeed a surah in the Quran that whomsoever recites it every night has done very well. These were the words of Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu an. One day we are all going to die. This life is temporary. It is not everlasting. We will eventually reach the qabr. Once we reach the grave, we need our good deeds. We need hasanat to protect us from the punishments of the grave. One of the best ways taught to us by none other than our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is recite Surah Mulk every night. Insha'Allah ta'ala, it will protect you in the qabr. Surah Mulk, my respected brothers and sisters, consists of 1300 letters. Alongside attaining the benefits of Surah Mulk, we also attain immense rewards. For each letter of the Quran that we recite, we are given 10 hasanat, 10 good deeds. Surah Mulk consists of 1300 letters. Multiply 1300 by 10. Just by reciting Surah Mulk, we are attaining 13,000 good deeds. We are creating protection for ourselves in the qabr, and also we are attaining an intercessor for us on the day of Qiyamah. But we are also attaining 13,000 hasanat, 13,000 good deeds just by reciting Suratul Mulk. My brothers and sisters, it does not take very long to recite this surah. If you do not know it off by heart, then you can look and read this surah. If you cannot read Arabic, then try and find a Roman transliteration of this surah. And even if you are not able to find a transliteration of this surah, listen to this surah. Listen to its recitation. Insha'Allah ta'ala, with good intentions, Allah will give you immense hasanat, immense reward, and you will reap its benefits. As always, my respected brothers and sisters, I humbly request that you like and share the content of this channel. If you have not yet done so, subscribe to this channel. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.